Good evening everyone! Naimbag na rabii. It's Learn Ilocano time, and tonight, let's learn how to say I don't know and I know. Let's start! To say I don't know in Ilocano, Indyak Ammok. Indyak Ammok. Indyak Ammok. Indyak Ammok. Indyak Ammok. And what about I know? To say I know, Ammok. Ammok. Say that again. Ammok. Mok. Ammok. I know. I don't know. Indyak Ammok. And to say I know, Ammok. 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 So now, let's have some examples. For example, you wanna say, I don't know your name. Indyak Ammok ti nagan mo. Indyak Ammok ti nagan mo. Indyak Ammok tinagan mo. And to say, I know your name, Ammok tinagan mo. Ammok ti nagan mo. Ammok tinagan mo. So that's our Ilocano word for tonight. I know and I don't know. Ammok and Indyak Ammok. And just in case you haven't seen the Ilocano phrases on how to ask, what's your name, how old are you, where do you live, and such, you can check the link here or you can click up here. Good night. Bye.